Today, I'm going to be talking about the first rule of YNAB, which is one of the most important things to know if you're trying to get your finances in order. But before we dive into that, let's take a moment to think about your money. How do you feel about it? Do you feel like you have enough? Do you feel like you're in control of it? Or do you feel like it's always slipping through your fingers? If you're like most people, you probably feel like you're constantly struggling to make ends meet. You may have a lot of debt, or you may just be trying to save up for a big purchase. Whatever the case, it can be tough to feel like you're ever getting ahead. That's where YNAB comes in. YNAB is a budgeting method that can help you take control of your money and reach your financial goals. It's based on 4 simple rules, and the first rule is the most important. Rule 1: give every dollar a job. What this means is that you need to assign a specific purpose to every dollar that you earn. This could be anything from paying your rent or mortgage to saving for a down payment on a house. By giving each dollar a job, you're making sure that you're spending your money on the things that are most important to you. How to implement Rule 1. Track your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of how much money you're bringing in and how much you're spending each month. Create a budget. This will help you allocate your money to different categories, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Assign a job to each dollar. Once you've created your budget, you need to assign a job to each dollar. This can be done by creating envelopes for each category and placing the appropriate amount of money in each envelope. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress so that you can see how you're doing with your budget. This can be done by using a budgeting app or by keeping a spreadsheet. Benefits of Rule 1. There are a number of benefits to using Rule 1. One benefit is that it can help you save money. By giving each dollar a job, you're less likely to overspend or make impulse purchases. Another benefit is that it can help you reduce your stress levels. When you know that your money is being used for the things that are important to you, you'll feel more confident about your financial future. Rule 1 is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By giving each dollar a job, you can make sure that your money is working for you, not against you. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Rule 1 today and see how it can help you reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.